Is it safe to install third-party apps on Roku?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to discuss third-party apps on Roku and whether it's safe to install them. Let's dive in.
What are third-party apps?
Third-party apps are applications that are not officially supported or provided by Roku. They are created by independent developers and are not available in the Roku channel store. To install these apps, you'll need to enable the developer mode on your Roku device.
Is it safe to install third-party apps?
In general, installing third-party apps on your Roku device can pose some security risks. These risks include 1. Malware. Some third-party apps may contain malicious code, which could harm your device or steal your personal information. 2. Copyright infringement. Some apps may provide access to copyrighted content without proper licensing, putting you at risk for legal trouble. 3. Unstable performance. Since these apps are not officially supported, they may not work correctly, leading to crashes or other issues on your device. However, not all third-party apps are harmful. Some apps may be perfectly safe and provide useful features not available in the Roku channel store.
How to protect yourself when installing third-party apps?
To ensure your safety when installing third-party apps on Roku, follow these guidelines. 1. Research the app. Before installing, research the app and its developer to ensure they have a good reputation. 2. Use a VPN. A virtual private network, VPN, can help protect your online privacy by encrypting your internet connection and hiding your IP address. 3. Keep your device updated. Make sure your Roku device is always updated with the latest firmware to minimize security vulnerabilities. In conclusion, installing third-party apps on your Roku device can pose certain risks, but by following the guidelines mentioned above, you can minimize these risks and enjoy a safer experience. We hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.